Hello everyone, sanibonani, dumelang, absheni, molweni, thobela, lochani. I hope you all good people out there. Welcome to 105 online channel. In this channel, we are bringing you celebrity news, entertainment news and gossip celebrity news. If you are new into this channel, please subscribe. Hey good people, today I'm bringing you the latest news of Uthando Nesthembu. Uthando Nesthembu, polygamist and businessman Musa Mseleku seems not to have power over his last wife Mangwabe Mseleku. In the latest episode, Mangwabe proved that she wears the pants in their marriage. This is not the first time, but it's what she always does anyway. She said as long as she is still alive, she will do whatever she likes with her kids. Mangwabe claims that her kids were abused by the driver who take them to school after he asked her elder daughter to open the gate. As a result, she removed her kids from the family transport and decided to take them to school herself. The people from Twitter didn't appreciate how Mangwabe treats Musa Mseleku and have expressed their views. One wrote, "I'm not relationship consultant, but Mangwabe no longer wants to be Mseleku's wife. The level of disrespect. #Uthando Nesthembu." One also said, #Uthando Nesthembu. Mangwabe is rude. You all need to stop justifying her nonsense behavior. Some approved Mangwabe's behavior. One wrote, "Mseleku did Mangwabe wrong. Imagine your husband telling the nanny not to tell you of an incident that happened to your children, then turning around crying unity for the family. I don't blame Mangwabe for not trusting Mkhulu and Mseleku with her children." What do you think about Mangwabe's behavior, people? Please leave a comment down below. Thank you so much for watching. Please do not forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you can get more news on this channel. 105 Online channel loves you. Bye, good people.